Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing a full breakdown of an Audcad full target here, around 60-ish pips that I took actually quite a few days ago now. I'm not sure when I'll post this video, might be further down the line, but as you can see I'm a bit late to doing the review to this video. We've been playing around, but regardless we can still look into how I found this trade and this setup throughout. So let's have a look at Audcad on the 4 hour. As you can see, you've got to realise guys that in obviously hindsight I took the trade around this level over here, so the 21st down the bottom there, as you can see. And they literally went all the way to final target pretty quickly. And then obviously from there, we've kind of just been playing around this area. So actually what might be easier is if we hop to the replay tool and I show you exactly what I was looking at. So let's take it from here, as you can see. So you can see obviously my view while I was looking at the trade, this, that and the other. So on the 4 hour, as you guys can see, we are sitting along this really nice trend line, as you can see. Bullish, we've been coming down, creating our lower highs, and continuing bullish to the upside. And then all of a sudden we've hit this upper area here, which again, seems to be another trend line. Technicals are absolutely on point for this, as you can see. Sorry if it's a little bit messy, obviously it is a 4 hour and I take my entries on the lower time frame. But yes, as you can see, we have come down, hop into the hour, broke this trend line, come down to this level, really nice support level here, as you can see. And now we're starting to make our way back up. I'm pretty sure I even caught this this trend line break down to this level, regardless. So let's see this play. As you can see, this price moved up. Now this is the point where I'm getting the trade set up from, as you can see. So we've come up, we've actually respected this trend line now on the other side of the trend line, triggering a kind of like a retest to continuation sort of sell, potentially, as you can see here. So this is where the trade idea came from. So if we break this level here, just like we did previously to catch this move, if we break this level here, we could be seeing further movement to the downside with the final target at this level here. Why? Because look at this, guys. Every time that we come to this level, or a very high chance that when we come to this level, we usually get a huge rejection. So we want to obviously be taken out with as much profit as possible, without obviously it retracing, and then obviously not banking as much as we physically could in that sense. So if we hop back to the 1 hour, that was idea for the trade. Now, obviously stop loss would have been break back in the trend lines. If we break back into the structure, I'm then not happy with the trade. So that's where the stop loss came from. So we were risking 23 pips for, as you can see, around a 66.8 pip move, around 60 pips, let's say, give or take. So let's see this play out. As you can see here, we got the break and close underneath this level at around 10 AM. So we got the break and close. I got the team in and myself at around this level here. As you can see, nice and high. As we got the break and close, we got some play. And then we got a beautiful retest and rejection. Again, wicked this area again, proving our level. And then it was smooth sailing to the downside. TP1 at this level here. So I went break even at this level here at around 20-25 pips. Took some money off the table as well. And then just let this trade run completely risk-free. So as you can see here, we've got some movement to the downside. We actually hit TP2 levels at this area here. So some people took some more money off the table. I took a little bit more money off the table and then obviously let it run completely risk-free. Then we actually got a retracement, as you can see, up and came super close to taking us out at break even there, as you can see. Literally 5 pips off taking us out at break even. We got the really nice wick there, and then it was plain sailing to the downside, as you can see, with that final target hit at this level here. So we got the TP1 at this level, TP2, final target hit around the 60-ish pip level there. So picture perfect trade. Got really lucky for myself and those holding out for the final target. But regardless, if people may have got people may have got a worse entry got taken out. At least they got the TP1 and 2 banked, and then obviously taking out at break even, so not risking any of that profit taken obviously off the table. And everything like that. So as you can see, picture perfect trade. Literally cannot go wrong with that whatsoever. Let's actually see how this played out. Did we get the rejection off this level? Yeah, as you can see, we got the upside from this level, proving, as you can see, picture perfect, this level of the big rejections that we usually see with this area. The biggest thing to realize, guys, is the market repeats itself. It repeats its cycles. It repeats its patterns. Whatever you're looking left is your best friend, essentially. If you look left and you see something's happened before multiple times, there's a good chance that it will react kind of the same way again. Obviously, depending on fundamentals, depending on all of this sort of stuff. But, technicals with fundamentals is going to be your key driver for success in the market, obviously, along with your risk management and finding these key setups. So, yeah, what can we say, guys? Picture perfect setup. I'll post the profit on the screen so you guys can see and everything like that. Feel free to check out the channel. I do multiple breakdowns on here, multiple talks about, different topics in trading and everything like that as well. Any questions, feel free to reach out to myself over on Instagram. That will be linked in the description. But other than that, guys, happy trading. Let's look forward to the next setup and let's get it.